Foldable phones in 2025? They're not just cool, they're smart, powerful, and honestly kind of futuristic. From AI photo tools to massive screens that fold in half, this year's foldables are designed to completely change the way you work, play, and create. So if you're wondering which foldable phone is worth your money, stick around. We've got the best of the best lined up for you. If you're looking for the foldable phone that does it all, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is basically your pocket-sized powerhouse. This thing unfolds into a 7.6-inch tablet-like display, perfect for multitasking, gaming, editing, or binging Netflix in split screen. It's built with Samsung's new AI features like Circle to Search. Just draw a circle around anything and get instant Google results. The Live Interpreter feature is perfect for travelers or anyone working globally, offering real-time translation on both screens. Add to that AI photo editing tools that let you clean up, crop, and enhance photos like magic. With a premium build, stronger hinge, thinner bezels, 512 gigabytes of storage, and a new navy blue finish, it's everything a power user could want. Now, if you love Google's clean software and you're all in on AI, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the one to beat. It unfolds into a beautiful 7.9-inch OLED inner display and still gives you a usable 6.4-inch outer screen for one-handed use. It runs on Gemini AI, so it can summarize meetings, suggest replies to messages, help you write emails, and even help you plan your day, all built into the OS. The triple rear cameras with Google's iconic image processing deliver mind-blowing photos with minimal effort. Night shots, portraits, zoom, you name it. And with 512 gigabytes of storage, you've got tons of room for your media, projects, or AI-generated content. If you want raw performance in a design that screams luxury, the Oneplus Open Apex Edition is your folding Ferrari. With 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, it's an absolute beast for gaming, editing, and running multiple apps at once. The large, bright AMOLED inner screen is smooth at 120 Hz and crease resistant, making every interaction feel premium. OnePlus nailed the software here with multitasking gestures that let you open up to 3 apps on the same screen. On the back, you get a Hasselblad-tuned triple camera setup, including an amazing 64-megapixel periscope lens for zoom shots. Wrapped in that stunning crimson shadow finish, this is the foldable for those who want max specs and serious style. Want something way more compact but still full of personality? Say hello to the Motorola Razr Plus 2024. It's rocking a bold peach fuzz finish that definitely stands out. But it's not just about looks. The 3.6-inch external POLD screen is super useful. You can reply to texts, check notifications, or control music without ever flipping it open. When you do open it, you get a large 6.9-inch display with a fast 144 Hz refresh rate. The 50-megapixel main camera captures surprisingly crisp shots, and the software is super smooth with Moto's minimal skin. It's great for people who want something practical, stylish, and genuinely fun to use. And finally, for those who love to create content or want something small but powerful, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a foldable that punches way above its size. When closed, it fits easily in your pocket or bag. When opened, it gives you a 6.7-inch bright AMOLED screen, perfect for editing videos, posting on social, or watching content. But what makes this flip unique are the AI tools. FlexCam lets you take hands-free selfies or shoot vlogs from any angle. AI Photo Assist enhances your shots automatically. And with camcorder mode, you can film vertical throwback-style videos that are perfect for Reels and TikToks. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, comes with 512 gigabytes of storage, and looks incredible in the new silver shadow color. So, whether you're Team Flip or Team Fold, there's a 2025 foldable phone ready to match your style, speed, and workflow. Want laptop-level multitasking? Go for the Fold. Want something pocket-sized but creator-friendly? Flip it. And if raw specs are your thing, OnePlus is throwing serious heat. All the links are down in the description so you can explore each phone further. Don't forget to drop a comment. What's your favorite foldable of the year? And hit that like button if you found your next phone today.